standing on top of quite possibly the sickest line of my life so far. In Alaska, I've been dreaming of this for a long time.
My friend Anna Tedesco, Kicker Dog, and I decided to head to Alaska and live out of a tent. Our plan is to base camp in the legendary Chugach Mountains to immerse ourselves in the adventure of a lifetime.
Yeah, I'm okay.
From surviving the harsh weather, to backcountry skiing and snowboarding, to speed flying and snow kiting, to exploring ice caves and meeting incredible people along the way. This series will showcase the highs and lows of living out of a tent in Alaska. Welcome to the Alaska Adventure.
All right, beautiful day. Ran into Bo, psyched. Ew. About to go drop a little cliff here. Hope it goes well. Here we go.
Part of what we're doing up here is shooting for a couple brands like Obermeyer, the outerwear kit I'm wearing. The best part about photography is you only have to look cool for a split second.
Oh, all the fun.
This was my first time ever driving a sled with a turbo, and wow, is it different.
The sound of that turbo, it's fucking scary. You're like, ah! I don't want that much power.
We rode the rest of the way back down to camp to snag a quick lunch.
So we've got some more people joining the parking lot.
At camp, we found legends Robin Van Gyn, Tatum Monod, Nadine Overwater, Taylor Godber, and their film crew setting up camp just across from us. These are some of the most badass women to ever play in the mountains. I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of a dream come true. After lunch, we decided to head deeper into the mountains in search of bigger lines.
I'll follow you once we take off. Alright, so we're up on the glacier. We've got some crazy clouds. We're gonna try to ski this line here, but it's too socked in. This looks cool, but it's kind of small. It's breaking though. But we're gonna go punch up this hill. It's so stunningly beautiful up here. This is awesome. We've got a good crew, and yeah, here we go.
This is Anna's first season on a sled. If you've ever ridden a sled in the mountains, you know it's much harder than it looks.
Are you running? You're okay. Just bump it and turn.
Of course, my advice is you just do it. After some fun warm-up sled laps, we decided to ride the smaller line with better visibility.
is super proper. Had to sled through some glacial terrain to this badass super steep line, but if you were to get hurt out here, it would be bad. It's super cold and super steep and far from anything, so we're in it.
It's funny that even the small lines in Alaska are some of the biggest lines of my life.
Yeah.
It's hard to do this feeling and view justice, but wow.
What?
Anna here, standing on top of quite possibly the sickest the sickest line of my life so far. In Alaska, I've been dreaming of this for a long time, so this is really cool to be here. Thanks everyone who made it happen. You!
Sadly, Anna's GoPro died right as she dropped in, but I can confirm she absolutely shredded it.
Alright, plan is to drop in nice and slow and steady and not tomahawk the whole way down. Everything else is a bonus. Yee-hee! Oh my god, that was good. Get it.
We headed back to camp to play with Kicker for a bit, switch boots, and grab our speed wings for a quick sunset flight. So much for watching. Please drop a comment with any feedback, like and subscribe, do all that good stuff, and we'll see you on the next one.
Oh, we got a little nugget. I got a nugget dog over here.